A 70-year-old man had a boat waiting to save his life. He said no. His name was Socrates. Athens put him on trial in 399 BC. Not for violence, not for theft, for asking questions. His friends bribed the guards. A boat was ready at the harbor. All he had to do was leave. He refused. He said, "If I run now, I make a lie of everything I ever stood for." So he stayed. He drank the poison and kept talking to his friends about philosophy until he couldn't speak anymore. He died the way he lived, completely committed to truth. 2,400 years later, we're still talking about him. Full story on the channel, link in the comments. And if this made you think, subscribe. Philosophy Simplified. New philosophy video every week. Stay curious. Question everything.